For us, sustainability is one of the forefronts of how we look to do business. From our perspective of coming across to Australia, we see that construction waste here is huge. Elluc are trying to address and provide a solution to this through utilising our capabilities in building information modelling.
The proper use and engagement of technology allows us to really federate all of the information in the project. It benefits us by connecting the architect, the project engineers, the builder, and the construction subcontractors on site. It produces higher quality documents and gives us a chance to reduce risk.
I'm Elliot McLaughlin, the Managing Director for Asia Pacific for Elluc Projects. We're currently at our office, our main Asia Pacific hub in Tweed Heads. We're civil and structural engineering consultants, but with the digital engineering twist, with our main focus around BIM, Building Information Modelling. Our main office was in Warrington, just outside of Manchester, and originally was quite a small office, family business. Myself, my sister, mum and dad. We've all sort of grown with the right people, grown the business over the last couple of years. We've now got the office here over in Tweed. We've got a small office in Sydney. We've got an office over in Southeast Asia in Manila. And next on our areas of challenges is New Zealand, and we've got a little base that we've secured there in Auckland with plans that we're going to sort of push into the market in New Zealand. So for myself, I see the three main challenges in the construction industry being, firstly being build program, which is your timescales. Secondly being your cost to deliver the project, and third is risk. The risk that's factored in through coordination of the correct information to have the right first time approach. So Elluc are currently addressing the key industry challenges through utilising the 3D model space to be able to visualise and model correct, accurate information to provide the coordinated drawings to the builder and to the subcontractors involved in a construction project. From a procurement perspective, there's some huge advantages to BIM. We can deal with that subcontractor design package that's coming out of one model. Because time's so pushed on a typical project in Australia, everything is all about that build program and being able to provide a handover to the end developer. There's this approach that, look, we'll just fix it on site, and there's all this chopping and changing to make it work. And that exercise, in the grand scheme of things, is a very expensive exercise of having, you've got materials that's incorrectly arriving to site, you've got full big precast panels that could be arriving to site incorrect, and you're trying to chop and change while meet your build program is very difficult. You end up with a product that's on site, and because you're so pushed against the clock, you just get rid of it.
BIM, 3D modelling, 4D modelling and 5D modelling allows us to avoid unnecessary delays on site. We can reduce resource wastage, we can reduce people standing around because all of the documentation is high quality right from the beginning. It's been federated with all the consultants, the builder's got quality documentation in front of him. That means that everything on site is running on time, everything turns up first time right. The client can benefit directly from BIM because they now have access to a full digital library of all of the drawings, all of the designs and all of the models. They can use this to operate their building more efficiently. It means that they also know and understand how the building works, right down to the small detail, and it gives them the chance to give this to their own subcontractors or their own consultants when the building is operational, and it gives everyone the ability to see what's going on in the building. That drives efficiencies for labour resources, that drives efficiencies for understanding how things to be fixed when it's in a maintenance cycle, etc.
We're always looking to move forwards. What's the next best thing? Although we've got the 3D tools at the moment where we can bring up a model on the screen, we're looking at how we can integrate that with AR, so that we can not just bring the model up on the screen, but we can have our clients in the meeting room and we can have the model, whether that's a 30-story residential tower, will be sat on the table, and you're physically spinning that around on the table. As a design team and as a team with your clients, you can then work through that, and it gives an opportunity for suggestions to be made and comments by the client in real time.